Welcome and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be showing you how I turn this number 27 blonde into a nice red color. I'll be using my half wig in the length 20 inches, the texture curly, and this is a size medium. Sign up to my email list to be the first one to be notified when my half wigs, U-part wigs, and band wigs will be available on my website. Okay, you're going to want to have a container of warm/hot water, and I'm using one of each color, so one of crimson and one of ruby red. And I use both of the bottles completely. To help get all of the color out of the bottle, you can dip the bottle under the water and shake it up, and then most of it should come out. After you pour both bottles in, you want to make sure you mix everything in real good to make sure the color is all mixed in with the water. If you were using a wig that have lace, you should protect the lace by spraying it with some type of hairspray or putting some gel on it so the lace won't get dyed. But since I'm not using a wig with lace, I'm just dumping the whole thing in there. So you're going to want to start at the ends and then just keep dumping it till the whole thing is submerged with the mixture. And you can see the color is taken beautifully on the hair. After you get your hair completely saturated, you're going to want to take a brush and brush through the hair to make sure there's no loose strands that didn't get dyed or anything. If you're dyeing a curly unit like I am, make sure you brush from the ends to the top so it won't get tangled. So I can see that all of the hair has been dyed, so I'm going to wash it with shampoo and conditioner, and then I'll be back to show you what it looks like. Okay, this is what it looks like dry. You can see that all of the hair got completely saturated. There's no blonde pieces left at all. The color looks real nice and vibrant. Just make sure that you wash this really good because the color will bleed when you get it wet. So if you're wearing light colored clothes or anything, it will stain your clothing. Again, this is a 20-inch, 220% density wig. The texture is curly, and the color that I started with is the color 27, and this is from my collection. Link is in the bio. I will be installing this unit on myself, so if you want to see that video, make sure you subscribe and turn on your notification bell to see me on the next upload. Bye.